exciting video and thanks for tuning in. It's a well-known and accepted fact that the Igbo tribe of Nigeria are the most intelligent and richest tribe in Nigeria. In fact, according to the popular American magazine Forbes, the Igbos have been described as the most intelligent tribe in Nigeria. And based on recent research, in about 10 random Igbo families, at least 7 must have billionaires' needs, most times even 2 or 3. Igbos represent one of the most populous tribes in Nigeria. Both Igbo men and women are generally known for their hard-working nature and desire for wealth and affluence. And it's very interesting to how their source of wealth is never formal education, but strictly business, involving trading, importing and exporting. This is why they say Igbo apprenticeship is better than formal education. And the billionaire Obi Cubana is a living testimony of this theory, and the whole world saw this proof. During the burial ceremony of his mother, where nothing less than 500 billion naira was spent. And with all the luxury and lavishing of wealth, you'll expect Obi Cubana to be among the top richest billionaires in Igbo land. But very unfortunately and surprisingly, he is not even among the top 10 lists. This tells you that not only the ones that flaunt their wealth are actually rich, there are some behind the background who rarely speak or see their faces, but deep down, their money grows like grass. And with this saying, we introduce the topic of today: top 10 richest Igbo businessmen, Obi Cubana missing on the list. But before we dive into the full gist, please do also hit the red subscribe button if you're new here, and turn the notification button for more spicy content and videos. Also, do also follow us on all social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. It will shock and amaze you to know that the Igbos have the largest numbers of billionaires in Nigeria. And I bet you that you won't even know half of these big names, mostly because they are not celebrities and they spend most of their time off social media and the public's eye. And if you ever thought that you know top billionaires of Igbo, just think again, as I have carefully compiled the list of top 10 Igbo billionaires, I won't even believe who is at the number 1 spot. Starting from the bottom, the 10th billionaire on our list is Leonard Stanley Nnamdi Eke, popularly known as Leo Stan. The Nigerian billionaire, who is about 65 years of age, is the founder and chairman of Zignox Group. And not only that, he's also the chairman of Konga.com. Now you can tell where his wealth comes from. And like most billionaires, Leonard Stanley has multiple streams of income. He is known to have spearheaded the creation of the following companies: Technology Distribution Limited, Tax Systems Limited, Zignox Technologies Limited. And I'm very sure most of you were already admiring this man, but never knowing his source of wealth. But I'm here to tell you that Leonard had put years of hard work into becoming the billionaire that he is today. And lest I forget, Leonard Stanley has a net worth estimated to be around $1 billion US. Next on the countdown is Pascal Dozier at number 9. He's said to have a net worth of over $1.1 billion US. And his source of wealth was finance. Let me shock you, I'm very sure you never knew that Pascal Dozier is actually the founder of Diamond Bank, and he was the CEO until 2006. Over the years of his career, Pascal Dozier has been decorated with many awards, with the most prestigious being the National Award of the Author of the Niger, OON, Commander of the Author of the Niger, CON, and All Africa's Business Leader Awards. Indeed, you can say Pascal is not only a billionaire, but also a life influencer. Next on our countdown is Cosmos Maduka, sitting at number 8. The billionaire Cosmos is estimated to have a net worth of over $1 billion US. Like many other billionaires, Cosmos is the CEO of Kocharis Group of companies and has been able to make a name for himself. And a man like Cosmos, who has billions of dollars, some would think that he had it easy in life, but that's not the case here. In fact, he wasn't born with a silver spoon, but his story was that of from grass to grace. In 2015, Cosmos appeared on Forbes Africa cover as a man who turned $0 to $500 million. Let me just shock you. Like the saying, education is the key to success, but not in this case of Cosmos. In fact, he dropped out of primary school and started hawking akara. But today, his story changed for the better. Next up is Tony Elumelu at number 7. His net worth is estimated to be around $1.2 billion. Tony Oyemechi Elumelu is a Nigerian economist, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. And of all the names mentioned above, I'm very sure Tony Elumelu is one very popular name. He is the chairman of Harris Holdings, the owner and originator of the Tony Elumelu Foundation. Aside this, he's also the chairman of UBA Groups. All over Africa, if there's a particular thing Tony is known for, it is acts of service to humanity. And through his skill acquisition programs, he has been able to turn lives around. In recognition to this, Tony has won several awards from international brands and has also appeared on Forbes' list of 20 most powerful Africans. Now that's an achievement. Next on the countdown is Dr. Bryant Ojiako. His net worth is estimated to be around $1.7 billion, and he's a CEO and co-founder of Seplat Petroleum Development. Like many other billionaires, Dr. Bryant has received lots of awards to his name. But away from that, let's move on down the list, and I'm very sure you won't believe who is number 1. So sit tight to find out who this man could be, or you could also make a wild guess in the comment section below. At number 5 is Ifeanyi Ubah, estimated to have a net worth of about $1.7 billion. Ifeanyi Ubah is a Nigerian business person, business investor, and humanitarian. He's the CEO of Capital Oil and Gas Industries Limited. Very shockingly, unlike other billionaires, Ifeanyi Ubah is actually into sports, and he's the proprietor of Ifeanyi Ubah FC, a Nigerian football club. This shows you that all work without play makes Jack a dull boy. At number 4, we have Benedict Peters, estimated to have a net worth of over $2.7 billion. He is the CEO of ATO Group, a company involved in energy and gas sector, and touted as Nigeria's largest indigenous oil producing firm. Did you know that Benedict Peters is ranked by Ventures Africa as the 17th richest person in Africa and the 7th richest in Nigeria? Wow! It's indeed funny how these men are not even known by Nigerians. Meanwhile, they are billionaires with tons of cash in their pockets. Moving on, at number 3 we have Emeka Ofor, estimated to have a net worth of over $2.9 billion. Wow! Even in my dreams, I would never imagine that an Igbo man would be richer than Donald Trump, who was one time president of America and was estimated to be worth about $2 billion. No wonder they said, there is Nigerian money, there is Igbo money, and there is Anambra money. Even the popular BB Naija star Gifty said that once the lady dates an Anambra man, she has made it in life. And at number 2 we have Cletus Ibeto, estimated to have a net worth of over $3.8 billion. He's a Nigerian entrepreneur, manufacturer, and philanthropist. He's the founder and chairman of Ibeto Group, referred to as the largest outfit in the manufacture of automotive spare parts in Nigeria, and the largest conglomerate in the eastern part of Nigeria, when he's worth up to $3.8 billion. This reminds me of stories my father would tell me about popular wealthy men who were once his classmates. And while I listened very keenly, deep down I'm asking the question, what happened to you that you now end up like them? On the number 1 spot, you won't even believe who this is. Let me shock you. His name is Ato Eze, estimated to have a net worth of over $5.8 billion. Ato Eze is way richer than many presidents in the United States. He is the CEO of Atlantis Oranto Petroleum, a philanthropist, and also a politician. Did you know that Ato Eze is also a prince in the royal family? Indeed, Igbos are born for wealth. There is nothing you can do about it.
Thanks for watching our video, guys, and do not forget to click on the red subscribe button and also on the bell notification icon for more updates. Follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Please share this video with your loved ones and friends. Thanks.